Imagine a space where silence speaks louder than gold. In the heart of Paris, we've unlocked a 100 square meter sanctuary that redefines the DNA of modern opulence. Here, luxury isn't a logo, it's the weight of Calacatta marble and the height of a 4-meter ceiling. This is quiet luxury, perfected, a monochromatic dream of walnut, stone, and light. Forget everything you know about apartment living, we are stepping inside the secret to pure, effortless elegance. We begin at the threshold of history and modernity. The facade stands as a testament to Parisian evolution, where classic limestone meets contemporary precision. The entrance is guarded by a massive, custom pivot walnut door, its grain acting as a natural artwork against the matte black steel frames. This isn't just a building, it is a fortress of taste that whispers exclusivity to those who pass by. The high-contrast sunlight dances across the sharp architectural lines, hinting at the grandeur hidden within. But the true scale of this home only reveals itself once you step inside. Step into a volume of pure air. With 4-meter ceilings, the living room breathes with a sense of cathedral-like scale. The palette is a masterclass in monochromatic restraint, creams, taupes, and warm grays layered to create depth without noise. A sprawling white bouclé sofa invites tactile exploration, grounded by a heavy, sculptural travertine coffee table. It is a space designed for conversation, framed by floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the room with cinematic light. Yet, the heart of the home lies just beyond this communal expanse. The master bedroom is an exercise in sensory softness. The walls are upholstered in muted taupe, absorbing sound to create a literal cocoon of silence. A low-profile bed with a bouclé headboard sits against a feature wall of dark walnut, providing a rich, masculine contrast to the airy linens. There are no distractions here, only the play of light through sheer drapes and the undeniable quality of raw materials. It is a room designed for the luxury of rest. But wait until you see where the marble narrative reaches its crescendo. The kitchen is a chef's theater, dominated by a monolithic island of Calacatta Viola marble. Its bold, rhythmic purple veining cuts through the neutral room like a heartbeat, providing a singular point of visual drama. The cabinetry is a seamless stretch of handleless walnut, hiding state-of-the-art technology behind artisanal woodwork. Every surface is cool to the touch, reflecting a lifestyle where functionality is draped in fine art. But how does one maintain such a grand scale in an intimate urban setting? The verticality of the apartment is utilized through a breathtaking mezzanine. Suspended by glass railings and black steel, this architectural bridge offers a new perspective on the volume below. The transition to walnut flooring underfoot adds a sense of warmth and grounding. It serves as a contemplative escape, a quiet nook where the height of the ceilings feels most palpable. It is the bridge between the social energy of the ground floor and the private sanctuary above. From this height, the path leads to the most personal quarter of the home. In the primary bath, the Calacatta Viola returns, wrapping the vanity and walls in a dramatic display of natural geology. The deep purple veins contrast sharply against the warm gray travertine floors, creating a space that feels carved out of a single stone. Minimalist fixtures ensure that the material remains the protagonist. It is a private spa that rejects the sterile white of the past for something far more evocative and grounded. Even in the city, the luxury of the outdoors remains a vital priority. The transition between the street and the sanctuary is managed by a minimalist front yard. Cream-colored stone pavers are laid with mathematical precision, bordered by architectural topiary that adds a splash of disciplined greenery. This courtyard acts as a sensory palette cleanser, a buffer of gray gravel and sharp shadows that prepares the mind for the elegance within. It is the first handshake of the home, firm, clean, and undeniably expensive. But for the true view of Paris, we must look much higher. Rising above the zinc roofs of Paris is the private terrace. Dark walnut decking provides a rich foundation for white bouclé lounge seating, creating an outdoor living room that rivals the interior. Travertine side tables hold glasses of wine as the sun sets over the skyline. This is where the quiet luxury aesthetic meets the golden hour, turning the monochromatic palette into a canvas for the changing sky. It is the ultimate urban status symbol. However, every visionary needs a place where the real work happens. The home office is a masterclass in focus. Floor-to-ceiling walnut bookshelves are integrated into the walls, their handleless design maintaining a clean, uninterrupted rhythm. A heavy desk carved from a single slab of travertine sits as the room's centerpiece, bathed in high-contrast light from the side windows. It is a space that demands productivity while offering the comfort of a private library. Here, the mind is free to create without the clutter of the outside world. Just behind the main structure, a hidden gem awaits your discovery. The backyard is a secluded sanctuary of stone and wood. High limestone walls ensure total privacy, while vertical walnut slats add a contemporary texture that plays with the afternoon shadows. A minimalist travertine fire pit serves as the focal point for evening gatherings. It is a rare Parisian luxury, a private slice of the earth where the air is still and the materials feel eternal. This is the quietest corner of the quiet luxury philosophy. This is more than an apartment, it is a manifesto on how we should live today. By prioritizing material over markers and volume over vanity, this 100 square meter space proves that luxury is a feeling, not a price tag. Thank you for joining us on this tour of quiet luxury. If you believe that design should be felt and not just seen, subscribe for more architectural masterpieces. Until next time, keep dreaming in marble and walnut.